Namaste. I myself Jevin Pratishta Rajvanshi, working as an assistant professor in optometry discipline in the Department of Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. Today's topic is about optic disc evolution. What is optic disc and what is the function of optic disc in our eye? This will be learned in this topic. Optic disc. Optic disc is an intraocular portion of optic disc, the terminology of all retinal layers except nerve fibers which pass through lamina cuprosa into the optic nerve. Optic nerve head, optic disc along with underlying prelaminar layer of optic disc, optic nerve and region of lamina cuprosa. Optic papilla, slightly elevated periphery of optic disc, physiological cup depression seen in optic disc. What are the general features of optic disc? Its shape is circular or ovoid. Its location is center of the disc, lie 4 mm nasally and 1 mm superiorly to fovea. The color of the optic disc is white due to the lamina cuprosa and modulated nerve fiber behind the and absence of vascular choroid. Neural rim is yellow and pink, rich capillary network, and having fair-skinned, bond, myopic pupil which with large optic disc have a light colored disc and vice versa. Now, the optic disc margins are not well defined. Margins and superior and inferior poles and in small optic disc are occupied due to crowding of nerves fiber bundles. Choroidal crescent gap in RPE revealing underlying choroid because of oblique insertion of optic nerve and tilting of disc. Scleral crescent when both RPE, that is retinal pigmented epithelium, and choroid are deficient. Both crescents mostly arise on temporal aspect of disc. The vertical diameter is 1.8 mm, horizontal diameter is 1.5 mm, depth of the disc is 1 mm, cup disc ratio of vertical diameter of optic cup to that of optic disc may vary from 0.1 to 0.9. Correction factors for estimating optic disc diameter is Volk plus 78 diopter is equal to 1.51x, and for plus 90 diopter is 1.3x. ISNT rule, inferior NRR is broadest followed by superior, nasal and temporal. Small and moderate sized disc optic discs follow the rule. Large discs may not. Now, the physiological cupping horizontally, oval and deeper in the nasal quadrant. Only 2% of the normal population have CD ratio more than 0.7. Number of optic disc fibers and area of neural rim they comprise. In contrast, thus small optic discs have a small cup because of concentration of nerve fibers at their point of confluence. Small disc 0.35 and largest disc 0.55. Early glomerulus changes can be missed in small disc. Cupping over diagnosis in large disc. Now the dimensions are over. Now physiological cups horizontally oval and deeper in nasal quadrant. Only 2% of the normal population have CD ratio more than 0.75. Spontaneous vascular pulsation. Venous pulsation seen at sharp bend in the vein of the vein as it turns into lamina propria. It is absent in 20% healthy people and can be elicited by elevating IOP by pressing gently on lobe. Indication of normal ICP. If IOP is normal, can be seen in the presence of elevated ICP. If IOP is high, arterial pulsation, raised IOP, and elevated pulse pressure. Other important observations: copper wire appearance, a reflection of light at vessel center, relative size of arteries and veins, thickening of arterioles, aging, arteriosclerosis, hypertension, very narrow, thready arterioles, optic disc anomalies, small optic disc, hypermetropia, aphakia, tilted optic disc hyperplasia, large optic disc, high myopia, congenital optic disc, pit, optic disc coloboma, morning glory anomaly, megalopapilloma. Now the tilted disc optic disc, nasal fundus ectasia syndrome, Fisch's coloboma, diversion of the optic disc, usually inferiorly or infranasally, choroidal or scleral crescent, situs inversus in 80% of eyes with tilted disc. Temporal retinal vessels first turn nasally before curving temporal towards macula. Then morning glory optic disc is an enlarged optic disc, nearly circular optic disc containing a deep conical depression with white to pink glare tissue at its base. Acquired vascular anomalies, neovascularization at disc, fine network of vessels lie fall flat on disc or protruding into vitreous. Do not branch. Dichromatia causes proliferation, diabetic retinopathy, retinal vein occlusion, old retinal artery occlusion, ocular ischemic syndrome, and radiation retinopathy. Optic neuritis, retrobulbar neuritis in early phase, disc appearance is normal, later primary optic atrophy. Diabetic papillopathy, optic disc may be hyperemic and swollen, indistinct margins, in severe cases papilledema. Large optic disc with large physiological cupping, glaucomatous cupping, preserved healthy NRR, widest at inferior pole and narrowest in temporal quadrant. Cups extend to the disc margin, deepening of cup overpass cupping vessels initially bridges the deepened cup, later collapse into it. Lamellar dot sign, exposure of underlying lamina fibrosa, fenestration with striate appearance was higher associated with glaucomatous damage than dot-like appearance. Pallor cup dispensing in early stages of glaucomatous optic atrophy, size of cup, area of pallor. Other causes of optic atrophy: area of pallor, size of cup, area of cupping recognized by observing kinking of vessels of cup margin. Optic disc hemorrhages, most commonly in inferior quadrant, resolve spontaneous and appear at same or different location across the disc margin. Papilledema in early stages, swelling disc, optic disc with indistinct margin, first seen in the nasal quadrant and then in the superior and inferior sectors. Physiological cup is maintained, giving the disc a cylindrical appearance. Disc is hyperemic due to ciliary dilatation. Retinal veins are congested and non-pulsatile. Acute phase, optic disc becomes increasingly swollen and elevated. Physiological cup may still be maintained. Retinal venous congestion more pronounced. Some blood vessels partially obstruct at the edge of the disc. Flame-shaped hemorrhage on disc margin are seen. Macular star accumulation of fluid and exudates, most prominent on nasal disc aspect of macula. Then glioma is smooth elevated white mass partially or completely obscuring the disc. Compression of disc may cause occlusion of central retinal vessels. Glioma situated posteriorly to lamina propria may cause primary optic disc granuloma. Acute stage, raised irregular hyperemia lesion affecting the optic disc and extending into the adjacent retina. Peripapillary subretinal fluid accumulation. Later stage, white mass of scar tissue overlying the disc causing the traction retinal force. That's all for today's topic, that is optic disc. After read it from book also. This is all for optic disc, and stay at home, be safe, have a good time at home, and all the best. Thank you. खुश रहिए आप लोग.